So hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you guys are stay good and stay positive. So today topic we are going to see about your person current feelings and as well as their next action. We can see that, okay. So and as well as we can see about their channel love messages as well, okay. So let's start the reading now. So guys, if you're looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel, and so please give your support. Please do subscribe because your each and every subscription will definitely motivates me a lot, and it definitely helps to grow this channel as well. So let's start the reading now. So let me take 3 cards for the current feelings, and then let me take 3 more cards for their next actions. Okay, I'm just getting multiple cards, by the way. Okay. Okay, for their current feelings, I just get the Ace of Swords. Okay, the Ace of Swords. And then I get the King of Pentacles. And then I get the card King of Wands. Okay. So this person may do have some kind of an options in their life. They may be deal with either 1 or 2 person, or else you may also have some kind of an options when it comes to your love life. But I hope so you maybe get some kind of an clarity from this person, or else for I just explained you. For one set of the people, there is some kind of a chances that this person do have an other options in their life. For other set of the people, I can see that there is some kind of a changes you can see from this person's side, okay. So there is little bit of positive changes, but still I can't able to say that this person current feelings, it's not like 100% they are in a positive mindset, because they are be like very practical mindset, and they are trying to be focused on their own life and their own career pathway. So I can see that kind of an energy only, but still you maybe get some kind of a clarity from your person's side, okay. And the next action, we get the Justice, and then we get the Two of Cups, okay, Two of Cups, Six of Cups, and the Four of Wands. Okay, let me clarify it. Okay, for some kind of the people, this person brings some kind of a balance when it comes to your life, or else for other side of the people, I'm so sorry to say this, if at all I can't able to sugarcoat on my reading, so that I can say for some kind of the people, I can see that still this person is not taking any kind of an action, and they maybe choose a third person over you. That's what I can see there. Maybe they can able to do marriage with that person as well. Some kind of an energy I can see that. And for the other set of the people, I can see that this person will try to take some kind of an action. This person will come and reach out to you. This person will come and communicate with you, and they want some kind of a serious commitment and serious offer, okay. So they can able to approach you for a marriage, or they can able to approach you for the love relationship, something like that. So something is getting progress here. It's not like this person will be dumb or nothing like that, okay. For these two kind of an energy, I can see that if at all you know that this person is dealing with other person, and they are planning to marry them, so there is chances that they can end up in a marriage with that person. If at all it's not in any cases like a third party involvement, or else they are not thinking that third party could be they're not giving any priority to the third party, then there is nothing to be fear. So this person will try to give you this offer, okay. This person will try to reach out to you. This person will try to give you this offer, and this person will definitely bring this relationship into the next level. So that is what I can say. This person will try to bring you some kind of a priority towards this relationship, and so this person may take some kind of a good action. So let's see about this person, channel or message as well towards you, like what kind of a feeling this person is having for you, okay. Oh, your kindness and care has changed me. So okay, so yeah, for some set of the people, if at all this person do not have any kind of a third party intervention, and do not have this kind of an priority to the third party, So there is no need to be worried at all that this person will give you this commitment, this solid offer commitment, this marriage commitment, and they will try to communicate with you. Okay, I want to make new memories with you. Again, we can see some kind of beautiful changes from this person, that this person will try to take some kind of an new changes, or else they maybe create some kind of a new memories. Okay, but still I just want to say that you shouldn't be wait for some more time. You have already waited for some time with a very patient, but still there is a little bit of a delay still there. So give them a little space, so that they will be try to impress you, or else they will try to show their love in a very better way. They will give you the priority, but you should need to be wait for some more time. Okay, I'm not saying that this person will take this kind of an actions in a very sudden, because for some sort of the people, they maybe have an option. So that's the reason I'm just saying that this person will take some kind of a little more delay, but at the same time there is some kind of a progress I can see here. I love your sense of humor. See, this person is feeling very much attracted. And the next I can see that I need to heal my inner child wounds. Okay, and the last message I can see that I'm scared to let someone in again. So this person, what I've been said, so this person would take some kind of a time. It's not like this person will take an action immediately, because I have said two set. Okay, for first set of the people, third party reason I have been said. For other set of the people, I have said that this person will give you the priority, this person will marry you, this person will give you the commitment offer. For that second set of the people, I'm seeing that there is some kind of changes will be there when it comes to your relationship. It will be go in a very good way, but it takes a little bit of time, because you can see that this person know they have not been healed proper. I need to heal my inner child wounds, and as well we get that I'm scared to let someone in. So they need to be come out from this kind of a comfort zone. So it takes some time for them. Could be like 2 more months or 2 more weeks this person will be take, so that this person will become back you in a a very different way, some kind of a good transformation I can see from this person. And so these are the energies I can see from your person, and I hope it will be resonating with you, and I hope it could be bring some kind of a clarity towards you. I'm so sorry for the first set of the people, because I can't able to sugarcoat on my reading, so that's the reason I have been explained. If at all you those things have been hurting you, and then I'm so sorry guys, I'm really sorry. It's not my intention to be hurt you. Whatever I am seeing in the cards, I need to be explained it as a very genuine way. So that's the reason, without any kind of a sugarcoat, I have been explained you. I'm so sorry if it has been hurt you. Okay, so yeah, so guys, please give your support, and if it is resonant with you, if you like my video, please give your support, please do subscribe, if at all your friends and family smell out the tarot reading, please direct my channel to them. And if at all you guys need any kind of a personal reading, you can definitely reach out either on my WhatsApp, also on my Instagram. Both the details have been given in the pinned comment. You can go and check with that. And next thing guys, yeah, if you're looking at my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. And yeah, stay tuned for the more upcoming videos, and see you guys next time. Until love you all, take care, bye bye.